I have another keyboard mouse headset combo. This one's by Bluefinger. Let's get it unboxed and review it. Mouse pad, headset. You got your USB cable that powers the LED lighting on the headset. You got your 2-channel audio and your mic. The mouse, both the headset and the mouse have braided cabling. And lastly, the keyboard. All the markings on here that look like lightning lights up. When you try to stack these USB cables on top of each other, when you go to plug them into the back of the motherboard, you can't plug them in right next to each other side by side because they're too thick. So you have to stagger them. You have to plug them into different USB ports that are further away from each other. Not a deal breaker. This is the keyboard lit up. You have your function keys, you have your media keys, you have your number pad, and the only two things I do not like about this keyboard is that it isn't mechanical and the enter key. I'm used to typing with an enter key that goes this way. This enter key goes up and down. So whenever I'm typing, when I finish typing and I'd like to hit the enter button, I end up hitting the backslash as opposed to the enter key. If you hold down the function key and hit the down arrow, you can turn it off and adjust the brightness. Function key SL allows you to switch to various colors: blue, pink, and red. Function PS allows breathing mode to switch between those three colors. So it's going to breathe, switch over to blue, breathe, switch over to pink, and then it repeats. And function PB allows you to switch between the three different colors only in breathing mode. Alright, so here's what the mouse looks like lit up. It pulses different colors in accordance to the DPI levels. The 4 DPI levels are 800, 1200, 1600, and 2000. The 4 different colors are red, purple, blue, and pink. There's 2 things I like about this mouse. The first one being, it looks and feels almost just like the Logitech G502. It took me literally no time at all to get used to this mouse. The second thing I thought that was interesting was there's virtually no mouse click. I don't even know if you can hear this because you don't have the shotgun mic pointed directly on top of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip around the shotgun mic so it's directly on top of both mice so you can somewhat hear the silent click of the Bluefinger, and then I'll show you what that sounds like against the Logitech G502. Alright, so the shotgun mic is flipped around so it's literally right on top of the 2 mice. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer and I'm going to show you what each one sounds like. Here's the Bluefinger. This is the middle mouse button, but here's what the left mouse button sounds like. Here's what the right mouse button sounds like. And here's what the Logitech G502 sounds like. Here's what the headset looks like lit up on each side. The headband adjusts. The microphone swivels, but it does not bend closer to your mouth. About 15 to 20 inches down from the headset, you have the scroll wheel, and you also have the ability to turn the mic off and on right here. The ear cups, they fit really well over my large ears, and the overall feel of this headset is a little bit stiff, but it isn't uncomfortable. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch the audio over to the mic of this headset and edit that sound into the video. Check 1, 2, check, check. This is the microphone for the Bluefinger headset. The mouse pad appears to be like all the other mouse pads I've reviewed with any other gaming combo set. It's a decent quality mouse pad. It's got rubber on the back. It's stitched around the edges, and I've had no problems with using the mouse on top of it. If this is the first time you're checking out this channel, welcome to Systematic Hardware. I do unboxing and review videos of combo peripheral sets all the time, so consider subscribing.